Meaning of Edith Cavell.
Edith Cavell.
Edith Cavell.
Edith Cavell.
Edith Cavell. Edith Cavell was a British nurse who worked in German-occupied Belgium during World War I. She became known for helping to smuggle Allied soldiers out of the country and into neutral Holland, which angered the German authorities. Cavell was arrested and charged with treason, and despite international pressure for clemency, she was executed by firing squad on October 12, 1915. Her bravery and martyrdom made her a national hero in the UK and inspired many to join the war effort.